Hi, thanks for checking this video. In this video, I'm going to invite you to copy these 5 secret niches that are making us 12k to 50k per day and how you can legally steal them in 4 easy steps. So if you want to get access to this training and reserve your spot, make sure you click the link in the description of this video to get access to this page where you can subscribe to the training. And on this special live online coaching sessions, you will discover five not so obvious niches making us 5 figure per day like clockwork and how you can copy them. A simple shortcut to fast track your way to 1k per day. The exact 4-step system that is making complete beginners up to 91k per day. The brand new untapped massive profitable traffic source that is one of the biggest on the planet. Then how you can get free access to a brand new, never seen before money making technology that does 90% of the work for you, and how to guarantee you start earning cash within 90 days of this webinar right from the comfort of your home. So if you want to get access to this free training and learn about these 5 niches that is making 5 figure per day, make sure you click the link below to reserve your free spot. And so you can choose one of these available time slots below. Today is Sunday, which is September 18, 2022. So you can choose a 7 a.m. CD or 8 a.m. EDT session. Or you can choose 7:30 a.m. CD or 8:30 a.m. ED. So if you want to get access to this free training, click the link in the description of this video to get access to this page so I can reserve your spot. Wish you the best of luck. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates or information on how to make money online. Best of luck.